Hey guys, Jeff here from JB Customs. Yesterday I went out and I had a look at a Mercedes key. Now, owner of the Mercedes didn't want to pay for somebody to repair the housing. Rubbers were starting to go, so what she did was she decided to buy a case off eBay. Nice and cheap, made in China, a couple of dollars. Thought she could save herself some money. So on opening up the key, she's damaged one of the infrared sensors. So key won't start, only key to the car. You can't turn the ignition off. It won't even unlock the car at the moment. So just got it on the bench at the moment. I'm going to do some tests with it. I've got the little infrared sensor. Don't know if you can see it down there. But we're going to give it a try and see if we can get it repaired. I'll be back in a minute. Looks like I've got the little IR soldered back on there. And then what we'll do is we'll just put it all back together. Okay, now what I'll do just to test it is stick it in the XP400 Pro along with my IM508. I don't know what this is doing. Just put it in there. Restart this. I'm not next to the car at the moment because I brought this to the workshop to repair, so I'll not be able to test it on the car until later on today, but we'll capture that as well. Okay, for the user that don't know, the Mercedes-Benz LD is the commercial side. So because I'm not with the vehicle, I'll go into manual selection. Okay, it's a C240, it's a 2001 C240. So there we go, C-Class 2001 to 2002. Okay, control unit, key. So we'll test frequency first. So there we go, the remote's working now. So it's a 315 megahertz remote. Okay, then we'll go IR, so the infrared. And we will go key activate, no. We'll just go read key information. Okay. hopefully that green light starts flashing. There we go. Excellent. So it's read the key information. So fingers crossed we've got the infrared working again, and I've got enough to at least get the car started. Obviously the key's not perfect, it has been damaged and the board's bent a little bit, so I'll probably program a new key in when I'm there, but I'll keep you posted, and I'll add to this video in a minute. Thanks guys. Alright guys, so this is the Mercedes key that I repaired. It's a little bit dark because it's the middle of the night here, and I'm just trying to get it working so that the car owner can get out. So I put it in a new case as well. Repaired the board, and this is it. And there. And that's it. On. Ignition's on, and let's give it a start. There we go, all working. Yep, awesome. Cool. So it just goes to show the importance of you know, getting somebody qualified and knows what they're doing to repair your keys. Costs you a lot of money otherwise. Alright guys, thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.